This person made $25,000 using this free Google trick. You can be like this person and make $22,000, or this person and make $50,000. In this video, I will go over the steps of how you can create a passive income stream using a simple Google trick by clicking on one button using absolutely free software. And the best part is that you don't need to invest any money to start doing this. This has nothing to do with selling anything or affiliate marketing. You don't even need your own website. And once you start making this amount of money online, you can leverage your time and consider traveling a little bit and experiencing new things because all you need is a laptop. For example, you can fly from one country to another and all you need is a laptop to keep making money. Before we begin, comment below and let me know how much you like to travel and where your dream destination is. I would love to hear more about where you'd like to visit. Also, please leave a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Then do yourself a favor and turn on the notifications on the subscribe button so that you'll be the first to know whenever there's a new and exciting content to make money online. Anyways, let's dive into the topic. Step number 1 is to go over to Google. So let's go into the browser and type in google.com. Step number 2 is now search for this simple keyboard, which is a Google News. So just type in Google News now and this will open up the news.google.com. Step number 3 is to go over the Google News, Google's official news retailer, where you can find all the latest global headlines and information. This website is pretty organized. On the left, there's a list of different categories which includes the country of the news and what's happening in the world. There's local news also listed there on the page as well. There's also popular categories such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. These top categories and top news help you navigate all the important things happening in the world. These help you pick out specific topics you are looking for. For example, if you head over the business section, it will give you all the top trending and latest business news either in your specific country or in your specific area and all over the world. Step number 4. The news will refresh every single day and every couple hours. There will be new and exciting articles written about specific topics. In this case, that's going to be business and economy that you have to open. You can open any of these articles and use them to make money. You can see when these were written a few hours ago. So now I can open up any of these articles and use them to make some money. For example, I'm gonna use this one about Jeff Bezos, a real-life James Bond. Soon after opening up that article, it's going to direct me to the official website. Be patient while it loads the entire article which I can use to make money. I'll explain this step exactly. Go ahead and copy 2 sentences of this article. I'm using an example of how this actually works and how you can make money from these articles from Google News. Step number 5. Since we have already made some progress, the next step is that you will need to go over to Quillbot at quillbot.com. This is an absolutely free online application that is going to professionally rewrite these articles for you. Then you can use these new articles free of charge to make money online again and again. So what you need to do is to paste a part of the article here. You can paste any piece there and then click the paraphrase button. This is going to rewrite the entire article for you. You just need to wait for a few seconds. The amazing thing is that it's all going to be done absolutely free. You can check out and compare the left and right of the screen to look at the original and rewritten article. This new article is now unique and you can use it to make money. Now you can repeat this process with a simple click of the button and do the same thing for many of the other articles available on Google. There's news coming into Google News every couple of hours, so you will likely have many articles in each category to choose from. Each of those articles can make you money online, and later in this video, I will be giving you some free bonuses to make you even more money. Keep watching and I will show you 2 different ways to make money with those rewritten articles. The first method is not going to make you that much money, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. The second way actually paid out thousands of dollars to people from all over the world. Now, for the first method, which pays less, is to use a text broker at textbroker.com. This is a website that works with large worldwide companies and will pay you for writing news articles. However, of course, you don't have to write those articles yourself. As I just showed you, you can get all these rewritten for you for free with only one click of a button and by using the simple Google method to make money online. So go over to Text Broker and register for a free account. Then you will need to click on I Write Content button right there. This will take you to the next page where you can learn more about how to make money by writing content for Text Broker. You can earn money by writing different articles. Now, if you click on the payment right there, you can go to more information. This will let you calculate potential earnings based on how many words. As you can see, for 1,000 words, it can earn you up to $50. You can literally find many 1,000-word articles, and even some that are thousands and thousands of words longer. For your article, the longer ones are better and can generate more money. For example, for several thousand words, you can make up to $600 each. You can repeat this process again and again and again, but remember that this is not going to make that much money. You can probably make several hundreds of dollars a month with text brokers. It's not hard to get started with Text Broker. Just free author registration to create a free account in a few minutes, and you can start making money with those free unique articles. The second way to make money is by taking advantage of freelancing websites. Some examples of popular freelancing websites include Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, Upwork.com, and PeoplePerHour.com. There's a lot of options for freelancing websites to pick from. We will use Fiverr for example. But if you use more of them, you will be able to make a lot more money. If you sell on 5 different freelancing websites, you can 5 times your results. If you only used one website to sell articles, you will obviously not make as much. Let's go over to Fiverr.com and search for article writing. This will show you all the different people that are making money online writing articles. However, they are writing these from scratch themselves. This requires a lot more time and effort to deliver the final product to customers. As we all know, no one likes to wait around. Since you can deliver these articles almost instantly or at least within the first few hours or so, this will really put you ahead of all the competition on these freelancing websites. As you can see, this process actually works. For example, this person is providing writing services that starts at $25 and they've gotten over 300 completed sales. This equals over $9,000 in profits. This other person is selling their services starting at $55, so it is probably a lot more, but they have over 170 sales. You can check out other people all over Fiverr who offer their services, so this is a proof that it actually works for people all over the world. These people are making tens of thousands of dollars by writing simple articles, and this is only one of the many freelancing websites. Fiverr.com is a really competitive platform, so it is recommended to start here. But don't limit yourself to just this website. There are many other alternatives that we have mentioned earlier in this video. The more you sign up for and use, the more you can take advantage of this process and maximize your earnings. Once you have provided services on Fiverr, you can withdraw your money with PayPal, bank transfer via Payoneer, or just spend it on Fiverr. However, personally, I prefer to go with PayPal. Since my favorite freelancing website to start off with is Fiverr, let's go over their website fiverr.com. You'll click on the join button on the top right to create an account. You can also quickly continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple. This method is faster and easier, but you also have the option to sign up manually by entering your email address. Remember, this website is completely free and works anywhere in the world. This simple and easy process takes no more than 2 minutes to sign up. I truly hope you got some value from this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't, consider turning on notifications on the subscribe button to be the first to watch our newest content and earn easy money online.